So, what do you think about packaging engineers? Other departments such as logistics, procurement, marketing revolve around these two departments to facilitate their services. So, the packaging engineer plays a crucial role here to assist the product to pack in such a feasible way to their company and consumer. The packaging engineer does the job role as the most productive and practical way to communicate, accommodate, and safeguard the products. What is a packaging engineer? The packaging engineer has to be in-depth knowledge of the packaging material and the processes with the practical calculation of their cost feasibility with their product. What does a packaging engineer do? Technically, packaging engineering applies engineering teachings and problem-solving techniques from design to producing to the marketplace for any object. This involves solving today's difficulties and creating future healthcare solutions, global warming, recycling, transportation, world hunger, research, climate change, and more exceeding. Packaging engineering blends creativity, knowledge, and analytical tools to complete the complex task of developing an idea into reality. CAD techniques to computer-aided manufacturing to computer-aided engineering, involving desktop publishing tools and 3D designs. What are the careers in packaging engineering? The demand for this expertise is unique in so many fields, and as such, there is no particular limit for the freshly minted packaging engineer. Jobs are always in demand, especially in the research, procurement, and marketing field. What skills do packaging engineers need? With this essence, packaging engineering also requires applied creativity and vital interpersonal skills like networking, leadership, and dispute management. The future of packaging engineering: nanotechnology, biotechnology, composites material, sustainability, and printing engineering expanded the packaging engineering toolbox. Composites are the different areas where the manipulation of materials allows for new manufacturing opportunities.